Alright, so I'm going to show you how to set up this door attachment for this weight training kit. But basically, you just put this over the door, and just shut your door, just like that. And that provides a nice, strong base for your equipment. So this is super easy just to attach whatever you want onto here. Just grab your thing. These are rated for like 5,600 pounds, so it's pretty insane. Another one. Throw it on over here. Super easy to attach, just like that. All right, so what's cool about this is how easy it is to adjust these cords for different lengths. And it's as simple as just touching this button here. If you want to shorten it up, hold that down, just pull it out. So I can make the handle right to here if I want it. Or as longer. Let's try to get a little bit better view here. So here we go. Here's the shorter one, and then if I want to make it longer, hold that down, and I can pull it all the way out to here. So it adjusts to, I don't know, probably from 1 foot to 5 foot in a matter of seconds. So if you need it out here to do your exercises, you can do that. So that's what's nice about this. It's super easy. You just grab the strap here, pull it up, and then it has this little elastic part that you can put down there so that it doesn't flop around. So it's pretty cool. They definitely thought of a lot of things with this, and there's a lot of different exercises that you can do with this too. So comes that. Also comes with this attachment, which is a stretchy band. And same thing. Put it on there. If you want to. And it has handles too. So this one's stretchy. You can pull it this way or do curls and stuff with it, however you want to work out. But easy to attach. A lot of different things you can do with this. And like this is the door or a fixed anchor install that you can do. This is the door install, equipment install. You can just wrap that around there and loop it through. And so you can put it pretty much anywhere around a tree or whatever you want to do. So, and then of course all the different exercises. So probably the main reason I got this was for like Australian pull-ups or Austrian. Well, the ones you do like incline kind of and pull up. Kind of get ready for regular pull-ups so you can do them better, like a one-arm pull-up or something like that. So these are super heavy duty, and you can do a ton of different exercises with this with just your body weight. So pretty cool there. All right, so we'll demonstrate a few exercises here. But this is just out the door one. And you can do like curls if you want. You can rotate them while you're doing it. Nice. Let's talk about feet with pull-ups like that, like Australian or whatever. Do like this. push-ups. So, as you guys can see, this is like, it's a super versatile workout thing, and it actually is a good, does provide a good workout without any weights, just using your body weight, and that's a lot of people just do that. So I really like it. It's super durable, and I've been using it quite a bit lately. I'm super happy with it. It hasn't had any worries that it might be breaking or anything like that. So if you're looking for a weight trainer kit, this one's pretty amazing. All right, Fred, so final thoughts and review here on the Pexft body weight resistance trainer kit. So basically, as you can see, pretty much have a whole gym here right in my hands, and this is heavy duty stuff. I have no thoughts or thinking that this is going to snap on me or break. Sometimes you get some of those and they're cheap and you don't feel really safe. These things, I feel like I could pull my truck with them or whatever. So super strong. You can, really easy to adjust in no time flat. You can adjust to certain lengths. You can attach it to almost anything. The door attachment works great. Comes with a longer one you can wrap around a tree and through itself or some other thing. You can pretty much anywhere you can just set this thing up and do a pretty decent workout. So amazing little kit here for body weight resistance. If you want to do a workout or whatever, this is pretty much all you need. So the handles are super comfortable. They're big enough where they're not scratching your hands or whatever if you're on the sides of your hands if you're rotating or whatever. So it just all in all, it seems like they thought of everything with this kit. It seems like a really great thing that's going to last me a long time. So I thought I'd just throw this video out there and let you guys know. Thanks for watching. So this runs about $74 on Amazon, and I'll leave a link to it in the description below or comparable items. So thanks for watching. I mean, I don't really have anything else to say except this is just well designed, well thought out body resistance kit. I mean, it works great. I've been doing some different workouts with them, been doing some like dips and stuff on them, and it's amazing how different it is if you're doing like a dip on like a solid surface and then doing one from like a hanging surface, you know, where you're using all of your muscles just to like stabilize yourself while you're doing the dip. So it's pretty cool. I think this might get all those other little muscles involved instead of the ones that you're not using if you are on a flat or a stable surface or whatever. So pretty happy with this. Not a bad deal to get a gym for under $100. So thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like what I'm doing here, please hit the subscribe button. I appreciate everybody's support. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye.